Hey Ed, it's Devin Norton again. Thank you so much for talking to me on the phone earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. What I'm going to do is just really briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can quickly and easily fix to start bringing in more customers immediately. I know you're probably wondering why the heck I would make this video for you. It's really simple. I just found out a little while ago there's a lot of HVAC techs out there who are really good at their job and taking care of their customers, but they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't really know who is an expert and who isn't. And so I found that by making these free attack plans and just giving them away, there's still a lot of business owners who end up calling me back going, you know what, Devin? I like you, just do this stuff for me. If you want to do this yourself or if you want me to help you, either way is okay. I just want some feedback on the information if that's okay with you. But I'll jump right into it. I don't want to waste any more of your time. As an overview, what we're going to talk about, it's going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Now, looking at your website from a design point of view, it's awesome. Your logo is super, super unique. I love this big old banner picture across the top. I'm assuming that's you standing right there. And it's such a clean website. It looks awesome. Unfortunately, Google does not rank you based off of how good looking your website is. They want to make sure that you have the most useful website for their customers. And the most useful websites are typically the people who have the most content. Content is just this stuff, what you can read right here, as well as whatever your images are saved as. And being that content's so important, it's the reason why the average website on the homepage of Google has about 2,000 words. If I look at yours right now, you probably have about 500 to 600, which is definitely a good start. But if you want to beat your main competitors, which is Precision Heating and Air, look how much content they have. It's stuffed, right? There's a ton of words on here. It's one of the biggest reasons they're outranking you. So I would definitely recommend getting yourself to 2,000, if not 2,500 words, and also make sure you have the right keywords in there. If I go over here, one of the keywords that you're being found for is air conditioning repair Austin TX. People search that into Google 250 times a month, so obviously you want to be number 1 for that, right? Well, currently you're at the bottom of the 9th page, so you want to put this into your content. If I go look, air conditioning repair, you don't even have air conditioning repair on there once, let alone air conditioning repair Austin TX. So that's my tip for you regarding content. Now, my second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a lot of other websites linking to you. Keep in mind, though, they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if another HVAC company is linking to you versus if, like, let's say Pizza Hut was linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to use this tool. There's a lot of free tools out there. This one's kind of pricey. I just use it because I'm in the industry and it gives me a lot of really valuable data. But it says for you right now, you have 54 websites linking to you, which is such a great spot to start, especially because you guys have been around for a long time. You've got a lot of good stuff going for you. If you want to beat Precision Heat, you're going to be surprised by how easy it is. All you have to do is match their content and beat it, but then also get more websites linking to them than they have. You have 54, they have 327. That's about 280 more, roughly. I would say go get 300 websites, link them to you, and you'll blow them out of the water. And how you do that is copy them. Go to these websites that are linking to them, go visit each one of them, create an account with them, and put a link in your profile pointing back to your page. You can also click the Contact Us button. But Ed, by following just those 2 tips, by getting more websites linking to you and by having higher content, that's how you take this spot right here in the organic spots. We don't really count directories. People click the next spot all the time. But this is how you get number 1 here. Now, this is one of 3 places you could show up on the homepage. You can show up organically. You can pay for advertising, which can get expensive and it doesn't always have the best results. But the last place you can show up, and it is the most valuable spot, is right here in the Google My Business. This is where most people click. You're probably asking, well, Devin, how the heck do I get there? I'm glad you asked. It's really, really simple. You need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your exact name, your exact address, and your exact phone number are listed in different directories across the internet. And if you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information. So you probably, recognize like Yelp and Yellow Pages, White Pages. Facebook has a directory nowadays, City Star, stuff like that. I recommend to you is go to Airtron Heating and Air Conditioning, figure out what directories they're listed in, go list yourself on those exact same ones, and add a bunch more on top. So if they were in 150 directories, you should be putting yourself in like 250, if not 300. And that's all I've got for you, Ed. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. I try to keep it short and sweet for you. As a really quick recap, you're going to want to have about 2,000 to 2,500 words on this homepage with keywords within the content. You're going to want to have, I'd say, about 350 websites linking to you in total to blow these guys out of the water. And you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. And by following these 3 tips, Ed, you will be number 1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? You have 2 options. You can take this information, you can apply it yourself, you can make all the money and bring in all the customers you want, and that's awesome. I hope you do that. My goal is just to make other business owners thrive. All I ask for is that you send me a little bit of feedback to let me know what you thought about this information. If you want to just continue running your business, you want more leads coming in, but you don't want to do the marketing part of things, give me a call. I'll have just a 10-minute chat with you to figure out what your goals are and to see if I even can help you. I'd love to put you the right direction. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time watching this video, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Have a great day, Ed. Thank you.